Unistrut Channel V's CZU roll forming machine. In the fast-growing solar industry, choosing the right roll forming solution is critical for building strong, cost-efficient mounting systems. In this video, LOTOSFORMING explains the differences between Unistrut channel machines and CZU roll forming machines and how each supports solar structure production. Unistrut channels are widely used in solar mounting systems thanks to their modular design, slotted holes, and easy installation. They are ideal for lightweight frameworks, rooftop solar installations, and projects where flexibility and quick assembly are essential. A dedicated Unistrut roll forming machine ensures consistent quality, high-speed production, and precision punching for standardized channel profiles. In contrast, CZU roll forming machines are designed for heavy-duty structural components. These machines can produce CZ and U profiles in one line, making them perfect for ground-mounted solar farms and large-scale projects. CZU systems offer greater flexibility in profile sizes, thickness, and load-bearing capacity, helping manufacturers adapt to different engineering requirements with a single machine. 1. Roll forming stands design. The Unistrut channel machine is equipped with smaller and lighter stands, as it is designed for thinner materials and compact profiles. In contrast, the CZU Purlin machine features larger, heavier-duty stands built to withstand higher forming pressure and thicker steel. 2. Gearbox system. Unistrut machines typically use lighter gearbox systems, suitable for medium-speed production and thinner-gauge materials. On the other hand, CZU machines are equipped with stronger and more durable gearboxes, providing higher torque required for forming thicker sections. 3. Punching system. A major difference lies in the punching method. Unistrut channel machines use mechanical punch press systems ideal for high-speed and repetitive hole punching. CZU Purlin machines use hydraulic punching systems, offering higher force and precision for thicker materials. 4. Profile type and thickness. Unistrut channel profiles. Thinner material. Used for light-duty support systems, cable trays, installations. Flexible and lightweight design. CZU Purlin profiles. Thicker material. Used in structural and construction applications, warehouses, steel buildings. High strength and load-bearing capacity. For solar structure manufacturing, LOTOSFORMING offers both Unistrut channel and CZU Purlin roll forming machines, each designed for different structural needs. Unistrut machines feature compact roll forming stands, lighter gearbox systems, and high-speed mechanical punching, making them ideal for producing thin, lightweight profiles used in solar brackets, supports, and modular systems. In contrast, CZU machines are built with larger, heavy-duty stands, stronger gearboxes, and hydraulic punching systems, allowing them to handle thicker materials and produce high-strength structural components for main solar mounting frameworks. While Unistrut systems provide cost-effective and fast production for secondary elements, CZU machines deliver the durability, flexibility, and load-bearing capacity required for large-scale solar projects.